What's up guys? The best workstations are the only laptops that can handle crunching hordes of data or video editing large files in 4K. The best workstations are targeted towards the professional users who need to run graphic intensive applications. The key difference between some of the best gaming laptops around and a workstation is its GPU, primarily optimized for tasks such as design and 3D rendering instead of sheer gaming performance. And workstations generally have stronger CPUs as well, like an Intel Core i9 or Intel Xeon processor instead of the typical Core i7 you would find on most gaming laptops. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Lenovo ThinkPad P1, the lightest workstation you can buy in 2020. A good workstation can cost you as much as a good used car, but Lenovo has come to the rescue with the ThinkPad P1, which starts at the $1,300. The best part is that if you get the base model, you will also be getting discrete graphics, unlike many other workstations that offer a pointless integrated version. For $1,300, you get a Core i5 8th generation CPU and an Nvidia Quadro P1000 GPU with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD, which is amazing for this price. Along with a plenty of power for an affordable price, you will enjoy Lenovo's supremely comfortable keyboard and a colorful display. And if you want higher configuration, you can buy this laptop with the Intel Xeon processor with Nvidia Quadro P1000 to Quadro P2000 GPU and up to 32GB of RAM and 2TB of SSD. Business professionals should also feel reassured by the P1 suite of security features. On the deck to the right of the keyboard is a stock fingerprint sensor for the faster and more secure login. Buy this laptop for its outstanding performance, slim lightweight chassis and vivid Dolby Vision 4K display. Only disappointments are poor battery life and it also runs warm while longer usage. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Dell Precision 7730, the workstation with the best display. With its raw power and pure sRGB, this laptop is one of the most powerful workstations with the most colorful display you can find in 2020. Its Core i9 CPU destroyed the competition with the Geekbench 4.1 with a 24800, and its 17.3-inch 4K panel covers a ridiculous 211% of the sRGB spectrum. In addition, it offers up to Nvidia Quadro P5200 GPU with an awesome 16GB of VRAM, leaving plenty of room to run the most graphically intensive programs. Along with these powerful specifications, this laptop offers a comfortable typing experience that you'll also love in this laptop. Don't worry about your arms giving out when you hold the Precision 7730. This tank can survive a fall. The business laptop passed the 15 mile spec durability test, including those of high altitudes, extreme temperatures, dirt, shock and drop according to Dell. Buy this laptop for its vibrant, sharp 4K display, blistering fast performance and a very comfortable keyboard. The disappointments are, as usual, the below average battery life and it also runs warmer on the longer usage. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Asus Pro Art StudioBook Pro, the best 17-inch workstation to buy. Its beautiful 17-inch screen nailed 162% of sRGB color game mode and emitted 292 nits of brightness. The StudioBook Pro also killed it on the Geekbench 4.1 overall performance test, scoring 21,359 with its beefy Intel Xeon processor. Top that off with a comfortable keyboard, and the StudioBook Pro makes it one of the best workstations around. Like most of the workstation, the Pro Art StudioBook Pro is a tank. It passed multiple MILSTD 810G tests, so it was able to survive extremely high and low temperature, humidity, altitude and vibrations. On the security side, you get a fingerprint reader with the Windows Hello support. Buy this laptop for its stunning design, solid performance and graphics with the Intel Xeon processor and 32GB of RAM and vivid display. The disappointments are, there is no 4K option provided and it is pricey. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. HP ZBook Studio X360 G5, the best 2-in-1 workstation. HP ZBook Studio X360 G5 is the king of 2-in-1 workstation. It is armed to the teeth in the military durable aluminum and it is equipped with the all-power Intel Xeon processor and Nvidia Quadro graphics. On Geekbench 4.1 overall performance test, the ZBook Studio nailed 20,950. Regarding security, the ZBook Studio has configurations that come with the Intel V Pro, which uses remote management, a fingerprint reader and an IR camera for Windows Hello. Other exciting things are, it comes with a gorgeous 4K display, 0.8 inches slim physics, and tactile keyboard. Another key feature is the ZBook pen, which will cost you around $70, which offers 4096 level of pressure sensitivity as well as tilt controls and 3 customizable buttons. Buy this laptop for its premium design, gorgeous 4K display, and military-grade durability with great keyboard and stylus. The only disappointment with this laptop is lid flexes. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. MSI WS65 9TM, the best workstation overall. The new generation of the best workstation is here. This powerful machine comes with the Intel Core i7 9th generation processor and a beastly Nvidia Quadro RTX 5000 GPU with 16GB of VRAM. On the Geekbench 4.1 overall performance benchmark, the MSI WS65 scored 22,876. Combo with that is a super slim and lightweight design and a ridiculously vivid 4K display and a decent battery life. Although this laptop is skinny and light, it doesn't sacrifice the durability that the consumers can expect from a workstation. It surpassed several MIL-STD 810G's tests, so it can withstand sand and dust, vibration, shocks, low and high pressure altitudes, even extreme temperatures. Regarding security, the MSI WS65 packs both a discrete TPM 2.0 chip and a built-in fingerprint reader located within the touchpad. Buy this laptop for its slim and lightweight design, gorgeous 4K display, strong performance and graphics, military durability, and secure features. The only disappointment is its price. It is very expensive. Links are given in the description. You can buy it from there. So these are our 5 best workstations that you can buy in 2020. Please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.